Tornado emergency for Alexandria. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Rapids Parish in central Louisiana until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 8 miles southwest of Alexandria, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Alexandria. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Alexandria around 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pineville around 2:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tioga, Paradise, Kingsville, Timber Trail and Libas around 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Woodworth. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.